Hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.3, 11th and 12th problem. See the question. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meters, find the sides of two squares. What they said? What are the two squares are there? We don't know the side, no, we have to find the sides of two squares. Let the side of one square be x. Let the side of second square be y. I am taking the squares, no, there are two squares. Square ma. Two squares are there. I am taking this side as x and this side as y. So, here area means, for this area how much? Area equals to how much ma? Side square, no? X square. For this what is the area? Y square. And perimeter. What is the perimeter for this? 4x. What is the perimeter for this? 4y. We know that, no? Area of a square, perimeter of a square, area of a square, perimeter of a square. What they said? Sum of the areas of two squares. Sum means addition. Areas of two squares. Two squares addition of areas x square plus y square. How much they have given? 468 meters square. Then what they have said? If the difference of their perimeters, what is the perimeters ma? 4x and 4y. Difference means what? Minus. What they said? If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meters. 24 meters. See here, let it be equation 1. In this take 4 as common. What we can say? X minus y equals to 24. I want only x minus y. Send this to this side. What it is doing? Multiplying. If I send to this side, it will divide. 4 6 x minus y equals to how much ma? 26. I want only y. If I send x to that, okay, I want only x. If I send y to that side, what it will become? 6 plus y. Is it okay? In the place of x, shall I substitute y? Okay. Or else, almost for every problem we are taking x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, no? For the convenience of taking x, I am taking y equals to. Send this y to this side and 6 to this side. I am sending minus y to that side. What it will become? Plus y. I am sending 6 to this side. What it will become? Minus 6. Y equals to x minus 6. Let it be equation 2. Substitute this in equation 1. What is equation 1 ma? X square plus y square equals to 468. Substitute in the place of y x minus 6. X square plus x minus 6 whole square equals to 468. Now solve this. X square plus a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Solve this by using this. X square, 6 square, 36. Next minus 6 2s 12x equals to 468. Send this to this side. X square plus x square, 2x square. Send here minus 12x. Send this to this side. Plus 36 minus 468 equals to 0. 468 minus 36 how much? 8 minus 6 2. 6 minus 3 3. 4. 432 no? 2x square minus 12x minus 432 equals to 0. See here, bigger number symbol what? Minus. So minus. Now take 2 common. X square minus 2 6 are 12x minus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12 equals to 0. Now send this 2 to that side. If I send 0 by 2, 0. So what it will become? X square minus 6x minus 216 equals to 0. You know the formula, no? A equals to how much here? 1. B equals to minus 6. C equals to minus 216. Substitute in the formula, ma. What is the formula? We have x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equals to minus b. What is the value of minus 6? No? Minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 1 into c. Minus 216 divided by 2 into 1. Now solve this, ma. Minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus root of 6 square 36 minus into minus plus 216 into 4. 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 4 2s are 8. 864 divided by 2. Add 36 for this. 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. That equals to 6 plus or minus root 900 by 2. X equals to. Now see here, 900 means 30, no? 30 into 30, how much? 3 3s are 9, 900. 30. Therefore, x equals to 6 plus or minus 30 by 2. We have two values, no? X equals to 6 plus 30 by 2. That is one value. X equals to 6 minus 30. One is plus and one is minus. Minus 30 by 2. Here how much? 36 by 2. Here 30 minus 6. 10 minus 6. 4. Again 24. Minus 24 by 2. This is negative value, no? So neglect this. So 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are. Therefore x equals to 18. That is what we have taken two squares. One side of a square. First side, the side of one square, bx, that equals to how many meters we got now? 18 meters. Now for finding y equals to what? X minus 6. From equation to y equals to x minus 6. Substitute in this. Y equals to 18 minus 6. That equals to 12. Therefore, what are the sides? Therefore, the side of one square is 18. The side of second square is 12 meters. Did you understand, ma? I don't know the two square sides. I have taken the side of this square as x and the side of this square as y. Area means we know a square, x square. Here it becomes y square. Perimeter 4a. A means here x, 4x, 4y. They have given addition of the square areas of the two squares is 468. And one more thing, the difference of perimeters is 24. After solving it, I got y equals to x minus 6. This I substituted in equation 1. After solving, I got two values. This is negative value. Any side will not be the negative value. Therefore, x equals to 18. We want y, no? Y equals to 12. By solving in equation 2, I got y equals to 2. Therefore, the side of one square is 18 meters and the side of second square is 12 meters. Did you understand? Shall we go to next problem? See the question. See the question. If a polygon of n sides has 1 by 2 n2 n into n minus 3 diagonals, how many diagonals, ma? For n side polygon, how many diagonals are there? 1 by 2 n into n minus 3 diagonals. How many sides will a polygon having 65 diagonals? How many sides means n we have to find. What are the, how many diagonals are there? 65 diagonals. So shall we equate this? 1 by 2 n into n minus 3 equals to 65. If I solve it, I'll got n value, no? N means the number of sides of that diagonals, no? If it is 65 diagonals, by finding the n, I can find the number of sides, no? Solve this. N into n minus 3 equals to 6. 2 is dividing here. If I send to that side, it will multiply. 65 2s are how much? 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 13. 130. Now multiply it. N square minus 3n. Send this 130 to this side. Minus 130 equals to 0. That's all, no? 65 2s are 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12 plus 130. See here, solve by the same formula. A equals to 1, B equals to minus 3, C equals to minus 130. Or you can take by factorization method also. Factorization means for 13, what are the values? 13 tens are. See here, 13 tens are how much? 130. 130, 13 tens are. What is the symbol here? Minus n square. So n. Here what is the symbol? Minus. So for bigger number minus, smaller number plus. So factorization, it is easy, no? N square, in the place of minus 3n I am writing this, plus 10n minus 13n minus 130 equals to 0. We know how to do factorization, no? If you don't know, see the last videos. Already I have explained you. See here, if you add this both, you have to get the middle value. Minus 13 plus 10, how much? Minus 3. Is it okay? Now in this both take n common, n plus 10. In this both take minus 13 common, n plus 13 tens are, no? Equals to 0. Now in this both take n plus 10 common. Then what is the remaining here? N. In this remaining minus 13 equals to 0. Now separate it. N plus 10 equals to 0. N minus 13 equals to 0. N equals to minus 10. N equals to 13. This is the negative number, no? So neglect it. Therefore, number of sides of 65 diagonals will have 13 sides. How many? If it is a 65 diagonals, how many sides it will have? 13 sides. Did you understand? So again, what is the second question? If it is 65 diagonals, we have to find the number of sides. Already number of sides equals to 13 sides. Again, is there a polygon with 50 diagonals? We have to find it. If there is a polygon with 50 diagonals, in the same way, what is the diagonals formula? 1 by 2 into n minus 3 equals to, how many diagonals? 50 diagonals. So equate it to 50. This is first one, this is second one. Equate it to 50. N into n. Okay, n into n minus 3 equals to 52's 100. Now solve this. N square minus 3n. Send this to this side. Minus 100 equals to 0. A equals to 1. B equals to minus 3. C equals to minus 100. N equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute here. Minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 whole square minus 4a into c value minus 100 by 2a. A value 1. I am solving here itself, Again, for changing the paper, it will take, again I want to write, no, it will take some time. Minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus root of 3 square 9. Again, minus into minus plus 100 into 4, 400 by 2. That equals to 3 plus or minus root of 409 by 2. 9, okay. What is the factors we have? 409. For finding the root value, take from this side. How much? For 9 means 3 3s are. For 40, is there any root? For 499, there is no root. Root of 499 does not exist. There is no root value for this, no? Therefore, what we can say? There is no polygon with 50 diagonals. Did you understand, ma? If I got this value, root value, if I solve it, here I got two values. No, in the same way I will get two values. But root 409 does not exist. So there is no polygon with 50 diagonals. That's all. Problem is completed. See one more time. For n sides, there are 1 by 2 n into n minus 3 diagonals. For 65 diagonals, how many sides are there? Equate it both. By solving by factorization method, I got two values. Negative value. There will be sides in negative value? No. Therefore, the number of sides of a 65 diagonals have 13 sides. And one more thing, what they ask, is there a polygon with 50 diagonals? Let us check. Is there a polygon with 50 diagonals? I am substituting equals to 50 in the same formula. By solving it, I got the root value, which does not exist. Root 409 does not exist. Means I will not get any single value. Therefore, there is no polygon with 50 diagonals. That's all. Problem is completed. Easy problems, no? Did you understand? If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. I will explain you. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.